Good morning everyone. Today I am going to present a paper titled as the image processing based wall crack detection, which I have prepared with the help of my other two teammates Mahesh Ranpise and Abhijit Pawar under the guidance of Professor Mahi. Here are the contents of this PPT. Let's get started with the introduction part. During the construction and maintenance of high-rise buildings, it is very crucial to attain good surface quality of structures due to safety and aesthetic aspects. Because of the combined effects of aging, weather conditions and human activities, the condition of building structure deteriorates over time. If left untreated, damages such as cracks, spalls obviously cause inconvenience for the building's occupants, deteriorate the structural integrity and lead to the significant reduction of the value of poorly maintained assets. Therefore, identifying defective areas that appear on the surface structure is one of the main tasks in the periodic survey buildings. Here some of the papers that we have reviewed for making our paper. Here is the comparative analysis between them. The first paper which we are referring to is image processing based recognition of wall defects using machine learning approaches, in which we are going to use the steerable filters and SVM for detection of wall defects, which will give the results with the accuracy of 85%. The second paper we are going to refer is the study of crack detection algorithm, which was presented in the 2015 IEEE 5th International Conference, which will use the mathematical morphological processing for the crack detection. The other two papers which we are referring to are wall crack detection based on image processing, in which image edge detection technique is used, which gives us the average accuracy. And the last paper which we are going to refer is the pavement crack detection algorithm, which was presented in the 2016 IEEE 8th International Conference. This paper improves the pavement crack image processing algorithm from the angle of gray level transformation, median filter and image intensification according to the characteristics of pavement crack image. Basically, it detects the cracks of the pavement with the accuracy of around 70%. Let's move on to the problem statement. It is very difficult to monitor the defects and spalls in the walls of buildings manually. It requires tremendous amount of work and expertise from the civil engineering department and require excessive processing time. Hence, in this project, we are using an image processing concept for the detection of defects in walls, so that the process becomes software oriented and any person working who is not expert in this section can use the system and gain knowledge about the condition of cracks of walls. The proposed system mainly consists of the 5 parts: collection of dataset, training of dataset, input sample image, processing of image, and then result. In the collection of dataset, we are going to collect around 800 to 1000 images of the cracks for the dataset. In the training of dataset, we are going to use the support vector machine to train the dataset and extract the features from the dataset, which will classify further into the types of cracks and classify them. The input sample image, we will take the input from user to process the image. Then we will processing of image. In the processing of image, we will reduce the noise and may convert it into the raw image, which will give us the idea about the trajectory of crack. In the result section, we will tell that whether there is a crack or not. If there is a crack, if crack is present, which type of crack it is, it comes from which category. Here is the flowchart of our system. Start, collect the dataset, train the dataset, input sample image, processing image using image processing. If crack is detected, then classification of crack. If not, then result will be shown. Here are the some of the sample images which we implemented through our software system, and here are some of the results with output. In this image we have taken one crack sample image, and here is the processed, the other one is the processed image. In conclusion, the aim of this is threefold. We aim to identify the defects in the wall based upon the image samples collected, extracting the feature set of the cracked walls using steerable filters method, and using support vector machine algorithm, detecting and classifying the types of cracks. Thank you.